Life moves fast. The world is a whirlwind of information demands and distractions. We're constantly bombarded with notifications, deadlines, and to-do lists. It's easy to feel overwhelmed, stressed, and disconnected from ourselves. But amidst the chaos, there's a haven of peace meditation. No longer confined to monks on mountaintops, meditation is a simple yet powerful practice available to everyone. It's a way to step out of the storm and find stillness within. Meditation isn't about escaping life, it's about engaging with it more fully and presently. By cultivating a regular meditation practice, you can experience profound benefits for your mind, body, and spirit. Ready to discover the transformative power of meditation? Let's dive in. Stress is a natural response to challenges, but chronic stress takes a toll. It disrupts our hormonal balance, weakens our immune system, and increases the risk of chronic diseases. Enter meditation, a powerful antidote to stress. When we meditate, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, our body's relaxation response. This counteracts the fight-or-flight response triggered by stress. Studies have shown that meditation can lower levels of cortisol, the stress hormone. It can also reduce blood pressure, improve sleep quality, and even alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. Meditation isn't just about feeling good in the moment. It's about creating lasting physiological changes that promote well-being. In our hyper-connected world, distractions are constant. Our attention is pulled in countless directions, making it difficult to focus and be present. This mental scattering can impact our productivity, relationships, and overall sense of well-being. Meditation is like a workout for the mind. It strengthens our ability to focus, concentrate, and resist distractions. By training our attention, we become more aware of our thoughts and emotions without judgment. Brain imaging studies have revealed that meditation can actually change the structure of our brains. Regular practice has been linked to increased gray matter in areas associated with attention, emotional regulation, and self-awareness. With a calmer, clearer mind, we can navigate life's challenges with greater ease and make more mindful decisions. Section 4, The Athlete's Edge. Recovery and performance through meditation. For athletes, physical prowess is only part of the equation. Mental strength, focus, and the ability to handle pressure are crucial for peak performance. Meditation offers a competitive edge by enhancing these mental skills. Studies have shown that meditation can improve reaction time, reduce perceived exertion, and enhance pain tolerance in athletes. It can also help athletes stay calm and focused under pressure, making better decisions during competition. Beyond performance enhancement, meditation aids in recovery. It promotes relaxation, reduces muscle soreness, and improves sleep quality, all essential for optimal physical recovery. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a weekend warrior, meditation can help you unlock your full athletic potential. Section 5, Your Meditation Journey. Starting small, thinking big. Ready to experience the transformative power of meditation? It's easier than you might think. Here are a few simple steps to get started. First, find a quiet space. Choose a calm and comfortable place where you can sit or lie down without distractions. Next, focus on your breath. Close your eyes and gently turn your attention to your breath. Notice the sensation of each inhale and exhale. Be kind to your wandering mind. It's normal for thoughts to arise during meditation. Simply acknowledge them without judgment and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Start small and be consistent. Begin with just a few minutes each day and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. There are countless meditation techniques and resources available. Experiment and find what resonates with you. Consistency is key. Even a few minutes of daily practice can have a profound impact. Section 6. Embrace the transformation. Meditation for a richer life. Meditation isn't just about sitting quietly. It's a practice that can transform your entire life. By cultivating a present and mindful approach, you can experience greater peace, joy, and fulfillment in every aspect of your life. As you continue your meditation journey, you'll notice positive changes in your relationships, work, and overall well-being. You'll become more patient, compassionate, and resilient in the face of challenges. Remember, meditation is a practice, not a destination. There's no right or wrong way to meditate. Approach it with curiosity, kindness, and a willingness to explore the depths of your own being. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Take that step today and unlock the transformative power of meditation.